My name is Letitia Walker, and I'm just one of those people where, if I get scammed or disrespected by a company or not treated well, I shout it from the rooftops and warn people so they don't fall into prey like I did.
This other black dude on YouTube and all these other black people on YouTube are doing, if you type in credit repair, you're just going to see it, right, for yourself. And they all look ghetto. Right? I mean, typically, if you want to repair a credit, don't talk to someone that's ghetto, has a hat and has toys in the background, and you know what I mean? Talking like, you know what I mean by ghetto.
So I'm going to talk about Andre from Pinnacle Credit Repair. Dealing with him was an absolute nightmare. I got scammed, which is a major part of my contention.
I recently got a text message of a lady accusing me that I didn't work on her credit, when in fact I did. Are you a child or an adult? The situation that you're in can be tracked by your behavior. Do you know what perfect credit means? It means you do not make a mistake. What is the likelihood of you making another mistake, even if I fix your problems? I've been in the industry for 12, 13 years. You guys try to own a business like this. Try to own a business like this. Try to run a business for this long, dealing with this, dealing with that, dealing with nonsensical clients, dealing with bullshit, dealing with threats. Because this lady is living in a mobile home, traveling the world, and every time she goes to a different place, her credit card gets an alert. Look, idiot. No one wants your identity if you have fucked up credit. It's like, since when do you go to the projects or a ghetto neighborhood, a poor neighborhood like a trailer trash? Since when do you hear a trailer park got robbed? Because they don't got anything in there. They're broke. Unless they're a crack shack. That's an asset. Fentanyl, crack. Yeah, that's an asset because you sell it for profit.
But then he had the audacity to cuss me out, disrespect me, bait me a number of times, lack of communication. It was just not good. I would not recommend them. It's a waste of time. It actually did more damage than anything positive. So again, just don't even bother. But on the flip side, after, going on Google, Yelp, YouTube, and a full number of places to kind of salvage the damage that pretty much was caused by Andre, I stumbled across David from Everything Credit. Again, it was from YouTube. I was kind of surprised, but, I wanted to know more. I inquired, and from there, I was treated professionally and did a turnaround. I got the results that I was looking for, and that's the key point of why I'm even leaving this review and why you should look into Everything Credit. It's definitely worth your time.